Well, let's go. This is the summer course, EDFN 338, Foundations of American Education. And this is my Google site where most of the course will be run from. Let me just give you a little tour around what's all here. Here is about the course. It's what it's about. I have the intro video for you, of course, points of interest, how to do the lectures. And I'll give you a quick follow of that, but you do that also. Here's the book. Here's what you got to have. 700 points based on this, 10 outlines, 10 projects, and 30 points for each chapter quiz, and 390. And here's the breakdown of what you'll get, how to get a hold of me. This is part of it. Let me show you what this looks like here. Here's the pre-course stuff that you have to get done. These 4 things. Watch the intro video, make an entry introducing yourself, and I explain that here in this video. There's a pre-test that you take, and then you watch this about waiting for Superman. And here is an outline, a question, Google form that you respond to in this. And I've had trouble getting this. It comes and goes, but this one should be live where you can watch this movie. It's an hour and 45 long, so plan ahead for it. And to get the points for the opening week, you need to do all 4 of these things. Okay, all 4. And here is the things for each week. Point of interest, point of explanation is this. First, there's 3 parts for each chapter. 3 parts. One is the lecture outline. You do the lecture outline for each unit. Give that, and then complete the online project. Each chapter has an online project you'll be assigned, and then the quiz over it. So 3 things for each one. And they're here, each one. So here is the first one. First of all, I give you the objectives of the lecture. Here's the lecture, and it's a YouTube video. And it comes on, it looks like this. And in this video, I walk you through what to do. Okay. Okay. We have that. Explain that, how to do that in the right here. How to use a video lecture. Here's a sample note outline. Here's the project week. It's where I will take you to Google Slides, and you have to complete that each week. And each week I do the same. There's a couple exceptions. There's a couple times you have to do something other than the slide. It has a thing like this. And I give you an example what it should look like. And then I have a lecture for you on each one. I mean, I'll have videos telling you how to do the project on each one. And on the 3rd slide, it'll be like this. Okay. Here's the clips. I tell you right in the lecture what to do with these. Get an outline before it starts to see what there is. The whole chapter's about. And a lot of times I'll go through this in the lecture. Okay. So let me show you the D2L. And again, there's some information on here, but mostly you'll be your quizzes and your Dropbox. The Dropbox is I got them all open so you can work at any pace you want. But I had to put some kind of deadlines in here to keep you moving and keep me involved as far as getting the correcting done. So we'll have that. It looks like this. I make it late work. So if you miss the deadline, here are the deadlines. Just drop it here in the late box. Okay. And then, of course, the quizzes are the same. And again, there's no beginning to them, so you can do them, but I had to put some deadlines. Otherwise, I'm not sure I could keep you going. And there's a final test that's explained there. And then your grades, you'll know when stuff is graded because a grade will show up. If there's no grade, that means I haven't graded it yet. Make sure you look at the notes. If there's something missing or something that isn't right, and here I had all by chapters. Here's the 3 things for each chapter. Okay. So one last thing, make sure you look at the intro video here, because I have put a little Google form here. It's right here. It has 3 questions on it over about the course after you watch this video. Here is what they'll look like when you come in. So as you turn these in, you will mark the stuff that you add red. And here's what the clips look like. You've added the clips. But everything you add to the notes will be red. You'll turn it red like this. This is what I should see whenever I open these up. You'll have red, what things you've added look like this. Okay. So here's the doc. Here's first you put your name, first and last name. And then question 1 is, how many points total is the course worth? Question 1. Question 2, how many different units are there will we do in the course of this? And 3, what color do you turn the information that you add to the lecture outlines? Those are the 3. And as you can see, 13 going by the 6 weeks that we have, we're going to go fast. So here's what I did. I just made them 2 per week, with the exception down here, you have to do 3 in a week. And you'll see that also on the lectures here, like on the Dropbox and stuff. So you can start them when you want, but you have to have them done at the end. Okay. Here, two per week, except down here 3, but you have to get them all 13 in. Okay. Enjoy.